In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove suggested accounts or posts for you on Instagram. So it's real easy to do. What you want to do is go to Instagram, and I'm just going to scroll through here and find something that I want to unsuggest for myself. So unfortunately with Instagram, there's no way to permanently turn this off. This is just built into Instagram, what they're going to recommend to you. So what we can do is, for example, I have this post here and it gives me the option and it asks me, are you interested in this post or not? And I'm going to click not interested. So what it can do for you is actually just go ahead and hit snooze all suggested posts in feed for 30 days. Now, unfortunately, you'll have to go back every 30 days and just continue to do this if you don't want those posts and reels and things suggested to you. So we can go ahead and hit that one, and it's going to disable that for 30 days. What we can also do is, if you want to focus on posts on people that you follow specifically, what we can do is go to the very top where you see the Instagram there and go ahead and tap Instagram, and we can switch this to following. And then this is going to allow us to see posts of people and accounts that we actually follow, so that we can more dive into see what we want to see compared to what Instagram will suggest to us. Hopefully this was helpful for you, and we'll see you